So in this section, we are going to set up our Microsoft account so that we can use the Visual Studio's Community 2022 coding editor for our scripting files. First thing I would recommend is go to Microsoft.com, which is the page I'm on currently. And in the upper right-hand corner, you can sign into your account. Now, you don't have an account, but it allows you to then here where it says no account, you can go ahead and create one. Another way is if you were to search Microsoft account and the very first link should be a Microsoft account, sign in or create your account today. And it's going to take you here to, it's all here with Microsoft account. You'll still want to sign in, and that's going to take you to that same page there where you can go ahead and create your account. With your Microsoft account, this can be a personal email, a different email. It doesn't have to be a Microsoft email like Outlook, Live, or Hotmail. You can even use your phone number instead. I know in the past this has worked with some students and sometimes it has not, but that is another option in case you don't have a personal email, or you can even get a new email, which is going to give you an Outlook email here. And then you're going to go through the process of creating your account. So you have that information because you're going to need this when you log into Visual Studios. When you launch Visual Studios, it gives you about a 30-day trial without having to sign in. And then eventually it's going to ask you to sign into your account. Now, even though we have not set up our project yet, if I was to search and go to Visual Studio 2022, and I'm going to open up this application, and I was going to go and continue without any code because right now we don't have any code. And I'm inside the actual editor itself. In that upper right-hand corner, it's going to ask you to sign into your account. And this is going to allow you to continue using the software from Microsoft. And this is where you would then sign into your account, the one you created either with a personal email or possibly a phone number. And then that way, when we get to the step when we're going to go ahead and create our scripting files, you'll have access and you'll be able to use the Visual Studio's Community 2022. If you decide you want to go the other route and use Visual Studio Code, the light version, there are going to be different steps to get that set up. I'm not going to walk through that process because it is very tedious and it doesn't always work from experience. Even though I've seen other people make and get it to work correctly, I have not been successful. Therefore, I know that Visual Studio's 2022 community here does work right outside the box. It is a little heavier of a software, but ultimately it gets us to where we need to go and we can move forward in our scripting for our games. Thanks for watching.